it was very private, and I think it's a very good opportunity that we get a chance to discuss like new trends, especially for manufacturing. Because I think nowadays we have like AI, solutions, everything that could help out with the manufacturing industry. So I think it's a very great opportunity.
It was good to meet so many personalities, they come from different domains, be it automotive, manufacturing, or other segments. We, even being the CXO group or at a senior level, we also tend to learn from their experiences where we can put in our use cases and grow or build AI platforms to leverage from the experience what we get from the summit.